Hey guys, I'll be voicing all the League of Legends champions as of the latest patch. And the latest champion is Viego, of course. And yeah, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm also going to be voicing the announcer, just as a bonus.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift. 30 seconds to minion spawn.
Now, hear the silence of annihilation. I am your reckoner, mortals.
Don't you trust me? Should I make your pulse rise or stop? They're mine now. Playtime's over.
Fear the assassin with no master.
You're scared. Good to know. No one tells me what to do. Not anymore.
Nothing can hold me back. I know the way. You can't milk those.
I thought you'd never pick me. Where are we going? Let's find some friends. Let's be friends forever. On my wings. Meaning in every snowflake. Poor creatures, so confined by a single life. You wanna play too? It'll be fun. Come out, wherever you are. Beaten by a little girl. Ha! Don't be a scaredy cat. So many weapons, Aphelios. The deadliest is your faith. Condemned to darkness, where our power grows. Aphelios, I hear you. I know what you sacrifice. All the world on one arrow. Coward, may you die with your eyes closed. When I say Avarosa, I hear my mother and her dreams.
Cower, worship, beg. They're all valid reactions. They call me a comet. They call me a dragon. They have no words for my true form. The heavens diminish without my attention. Shurima, your emperor has returned. Shurima will once again stretch to the horizon. Everyone will know the name Shurima. Fired up and ready to serve. Precisely. I remain focused. Ready to set the world on fire. Yeah. I am the fire that cleanses the world. Is that fireproof? Yeah. Their heart is the strongest muscle. Now, what can we learn from fighting? Is it a mustache? Who knows?
I'm on the case. Don't be caught flat-footing. I have the tools for the job. Want another shot? Would you prefer the good cop or the bad cop? Precision is the difference between a butcher and a surgeon. Technology and I have a complicated relationship. I remain human, for the most part. There is no antidote for me. Who will have the fortune of facing me today? Careful now. I bite.
The daylight, it burns! Your witches are stirred upon the world.
I'm up to snuff, and I got me a nice machine. I'm on a black shoe. This is Major Tom, the crowd control.
They will regret opposing me. Defy Noxus and taste your own blood. I do not tolerate cowardice. Never retreat.
A new moon is rising. They called me a heretic. Now they are dead. The moon will rise. The night will last forever.
Welcome to the League of Draven. Hear that? Death's knocking. Seems to be blood everywhere I go.
It's not how much time you have. It's how you use it. Someone's day is about to get wrecked.
Only the spider is safe in her web. I know what lurks in the shadows.
I can feel their fear.
You know you want me. Let's see. Whose life shall I ruin today? Keep them longing, make them bleed. Just looking for that special someone to torment.
Quest accepted. Wait, where are we going? Impossible comebacks are sort of my specialty. The gauntlets for show. The talent's all me. Don't be scared. It can hurt you. Hungry.
I long for a worthy opponent. I am an artist with a sword, in more ways than one.
Let me at 'em. One jump ahead of you. They won't catch me.
Time to make an impact. You know what's hard about fighting? Nothing. Come on. I'm made of stone. I sleep, I wake, I break things. Neither the flames nor the depths could claim me. I rarely forget and never forgive. My heart and sword, always for Demacia. Come forth, you will find honor in death.
Nar, gada. Shaduvara. Shuggy, shuggy, shuggy. If you're buying, I'm in. Let's get this party started.
I'm on it. Dead man walking. I got no time for games. What are you playing at? Behold the whites of the Shadow Isles. The shadow approaches.
Indeed, a wise choice. The cosine of your root divided by order, entropy, a never-ending cycle.
I'm not big on sermons. Broken bones teach a better lesson.
It is my burden to carry the eye of God. It is my privilege to see the truth. I am a teacher. Build what I will learn.
Father, Mother, Zelos, Oma, On, Kai, Literal. None of them ever had a chance. Zelos told the worst jokes. How I miss them.
My favorite color is spring. Animals have more to offer than warm pelts and meat. By my will, this shall be finished. You like my weapon? Come on over for a closer inspection. We shall rest when we are dead.
The tempest is at your command. And you thought it was just a harmless breeze. Yes, it's true. For only $2.95 a minute, I will leave you breathless.
Let's do this. Imagine if I had a real weapon. Who wants a piece of the champ? I fight for a brighter tomorrow. This is what the future looks like. Feel free to give up now. In carnage, I bloom like the flower in the dawn. The work is what matters. My genius will be understood eventually.
Rules are meant to be broken, like buildings or people. Ah, come on. What's the worst that could happen? Jinx stands for jinx.
Duh. Are you the hunter or the prey? You wouldn't last a day in the void.
Here is where we make our stand. Do as I say. It's the only way if we want to live.
Death to all betrayers. All things have consequence. What is started will be finished. Always trust your spirit. Never become a monster to defeat one. There is wisdom in war. Agony, ecstasy, peace. Every passing has a beauty all its own. In the end, only the dead shall remain. My pilgrimage begins. The balance of power all be preserved. Your magic is powerless against me. You are null and void. Violence solves everything.
Let the bloodshed begin. If you run, you won't see me stab you. They shall tremble at my perfection. There is right, there is wrong. All else is rationalization. The moment justice bends, it breaks.
Will you prove worthy?
Probably not.
The child is gone. The killer will remain. I have chosen you. You will serve me. The rage is in your hands. Let it loose.
The eyes never lie. Big targets are the best. There's more to aim at. Yes, they make shurikens this small.
Change is good. This world is delicious. If I eat you, will I learn to die? Ha!
Never one.
Without the other.
Those who dread us grant us the most power. We are not dreams. We are the waking.
I find courage unpredictable. It's total insanity you cry on. You will salute when you address me. Let's get him, Skull. Time to feast. Keep coming, not full.
The black rose shall bloom once more. For a moment I thought I'd broken a sweat. For my next trick, I'll make their life bar disappear.
Your will, my hands. Blindness is no impediment against the smelly enemy. Many monks live in peace. I do not envy them.
The dawn has arrived. Stay at the vanguard. Next time, try to leave a dent.
Me! A dream come true. Humans cast a spell every night. Every time they fall asleep. Oh, Mr. Root, you almost tripped me. Time to be mean, Lilia. Did it work?
I will bury the world in ice. No one will remember them. I never rest.
Everybody dies. Some just need a little help.
No sunshine where I'm going.
There's a chill in the air.
Pleased to meet you. I recommend skipping. Just a pinch.
Let's light it up.
Into battle with hearts aglow. Double rainbow? What does it mean?
Rock solid. I'm moving as fast as I can. Caught between a rock in a hard place.
Oblivion awaits. Bow to the void, or be consumed by it.
The isles will bloom again. Flee into the forest? I am the forest. I will end this misuse of magic.
My blade is yours. Would you pass me that potion? Your skills are inferior.
Fortune doesn't favor fools. Sure you can handle me, summoner?
How do you like my guns? Shock and
All will die. All will be mine. All souls are forfeit.
I am bound, but I will not break. With each step, I forge my fate in the fires of pain. I prefer an honest sinner over a righteous liar.
Buddha too strong for you. Buddha goes this way. Come to Buddha.
I decide what the tide will bring. Quit flopping around. Ride upon the waves.
The cycle of life and death continues. We will live, and they will die. I walk through the ages. Between life and death lies immortality.
Beware the depths, the endless march. Lost and forgotten.
Nico is best decision. Survival means blending in. We are to fight now? Let's go! I will learn. I will grow. I will Nico.
They will fear the wild. Here, mousy, mousy, mousy. You cannot cage me, summoner. Let me show you the way.
Embrace the darkness. Do I scare you, summoner? Bring me more flesh bags to slice up.
Every adventure is better with a friend.
Whoa.
I bet you 3 icicles I can fly. I just never jump hard enough. Home is that way, Willump. Let's shake out some snow.
Leave nothing behind. The might of Lockthar approaches.
We will kill your enemies. That will be fun. This is a fun game. Why are they running?
My forge, my home. I heard followers once. They tried. I'm going this way. Do not follow me, please. In battle, we are reborn. It is not why I fight, but who I fight for. I cast my excuses into the dirt.
I'm no hero, just a Yordo with a hammer. What do you mean my hammer's too big? I sure do a lot of walking.
Sink 'em all. Healing feels like home.
You may now appreciate me. My enemies try their best. That is why it is so sad. It's not the ring blade. It is an olat. Idiots. Some people are just born better. Justice takes wing. A bird's eye view is the best advantage. Sometimes I swear that bird is just showing off.
Let's dance! I am only as wild as my magic. Crap. I totally forgot why I'm here. Should I be running? Yeah, I probably should be running. Okay. Alright. Yeah.
I'd rather break rules than people. But I can make exceptions. Friends just get in the way. I'll twist Noxus until it snaps.
As I live, all will die. All will suffer as I have. There is no retreat. Tonight we hunt. Comfort breathes weakness. Walk the killer's path.
What is broken can be reforged. So long I've wondered. A sword mirrors its owner. Choose your own path.
Let's get in the fight. You don't have to tell me twice. Come on, I'm not even holding the controls. Who wants a piece of this? A step ahead of Cataclysm. I sense another rune, but where? Knowledge is a real weapon.
You want style? You found it. In every girl, there is a queen. I am the beauty and the beast. Named Samira. Try not to slow me down. Trust nothing but your strength. Fight or make room for those who will. Easy, Bristle. The arch is mine. No one fights alone in the mist. It's harder to hold a hand than a gun. Living my best life. My best second life. The mist knows my name. It held it for years, but it was only asking for help.
Let's change the world. Even in my dreams I hear them sing. Making it up as I go. Ba-ba-da-beep-bop.
I'm undisputed. Wait, hold up. Are we getting paid for this? Every single one of them thinks they're the one to beat me. Okay.
How about a magic trick? March, 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 march.
Now you see me, now you don't. For my next trick, I'll make you disappear. Look behind you. A demonstration of superior judgment. With balanced steps. You're already dead. You just haven't caught up yet.
They are nothing before me. By the blood of my father, I will end them. The might of Demacia will prevail.
How about a drink? I hear you. Shaken, not stirred.
Rest is for the living. Slay the strong. Trample the weak. You'll reek of fear. What toll have I paid?
I always take my toll, blood or gold. I go where the trouble is. Send more goons. I think it's working.
My stinger brings ugly death.
Scar, scar, scorner!
What masterpiece shall we play today? A wrong note is just a happy little accident. Life is a beautiful ballad.
Let me guide you. Every step, a new journey. Yes, that was a banana. No one expects the banana.
Fear the power you do not see. We are at war. Do not forget it. Destiny marches like any man.
No more cages! So, who wants to kill the king? A shepherd with no flock is just an idiot with a stick. I will be the monster they think I am.
So much untapped power! Let them try to stop me. This power is mine to command.
Call me king. Call me demon. Water forgets the name of the drowned. This buffet exceeds repugnance. Now we shall gluttonize.
Know the loon, be the stone. The sun rises. I must go. The sparrow flies against the wind.
Live and die by the blade. They won't survive. Have you anything to offer but weakness?
That glimmer of hope you see, that's me. I may be merciful, but Targon isn't. I answered for my crimes. Now it's your turn. There's nowhere left to go but up.
Captain Timo on duty. Up, 2, 3, 4. I'll scout ahead. Never underestimate the power of the scout's code. Size doesn't mean everything. Ha ha ha.
What delightful agony we shall inflict. Oh, the eternity that we shall spend together. Flesh is a prison.
Me, mad? Ah, quite likely.
Once a Vandal Gunner, always a Vandal Gunner. I bravely volunteer to charge in recklessly. Sometimes outnumbered, never outgunned. You think you can outshoot me?
Time to troll! I'm the troll with the plan. I'm not ugly, but they're about to be.
This will be a slaughter. I am your worst nightmare. You never stood a chance. Lady Lucky smiling. Just the look of the draw. Looking good. Charmed, I'm sure. It's all in the cards.
What doesn't kill you just isn't finished yet. I'm on to you. Hey, what did I step in? All pipes lead to home.
We will not pity the defenseless. Do not deny your instincts, summoner.
You cannot know strength until you are broken. Endless misery. Wonderful. There's no coming back.
The guilty will know agony. Beware a man with nothing to lose. The cost of your life is one arrow.
Let us hunt those who have fallen to darkness. The shadows are to be feared. Hitting me, it's like boxing with shadows.
Know that if the tables were turned, I would show you no mercy. It's only a short way. Is that a short joke? I smell death.
Knowledge through disintegration. Endoskeletals, quite peculiar. It seems your chances of survival are less than 0.
Punch first. Ask questions while punching. If you hit a wall, hit it hard. Piltover's finest.
Stand against me. Call me villain. Die. What is lost is never lost to me.
Join the glorious evolution. Function over form. Analyzing approach.
The rivers will run red. My cup is half empty. Please let it all out.
Feel the power of the wild. The land will exist far longer than warm bloods. Follow me, and we will bring down the sky.
Blood runs. They all run. The blood you spill calls to me. The beast grows stronger.
I will be the best. Who questions my ability? Improve your skills, then find me again.
I can never resist an invitation of dance. Compromise is so unsatisfying. Oh, I was born to ruffle feathers.
The world will crumble, but I shall remain. I will show you true power.
To the arena. Perish with honor. Fate has made its choice.
Death is like the wind, always by my side. A sword's company for a long road. Just looking for a road home. One to cut, one to seal. Azakana lurk everywhere. I will end their depredations. Sleep is not for the weak, but for the blessed.
Fear not. I will make use of your corpse. Soon, this depravity will end.
You and me, we got this. Mush, mush, wee! Where's my fishy fish dish? Meow!
I was made for this. Literally. Why, thanks. I do work out. It's not how much you can lift. It's how good you look.
The unseen blade is the deadliest without the sound.
This'll be a blast. Anyone got a match? Impatient? I'm not impatient. Let's blow this joint.
I knew you would do that. Time is wasting. The way is always the same.
Yes, this will be fun, right? I'm not born crazy. I just don't have a boyfriend yet. I wanna go to some place.
Feel the thorns embrace. Such a busy world. The forest holds many surprises.
Thank you all for watching. I honestly had a lot of fun making this video. I kind of aspire to become a voice actor. I wanna do more projects and, you know, get myself into the industry while you know, I know it's quite late, but it is what it is. Yeah, and I hope you guys all like, comment, all that thing down below. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Appreciate everything. Thank you. Bye.
Please subscribe to